Welcome to Excel tutorial. Today let's see how we can try to add more rows in Excel. So first you can see I have taken the monthly budget template over here. So let's say that I want to insert more rows over here. So what I can do is I'll just try to go and then select this particular row. I'll just go here and then right click. So here if I press insert, so automatically you can see one single row is automatically getting added at the top. So this is how actually we can add a single row anywhere wherever we want in a particular sheet. We can just try to go and do it. So in case if I want to add multiple number of rows, let's say 5 rows or 6 rows if I want to add, then what I'll do is, so I'll just undo this one. So now if I want to add 5 rows, so here I'll just try to go and select this one. So I'll just try to drag here completely. So let's say 7 rows I have dragged. So you can see there 7 are multiplied by we are getting. That means totally 7 rows we have selected. So now I have selected 7 rows continuously, and then when I try to right click and then when I say insert, so automatically 7 rows will be added. So this is one way how we can actually try to add multiple rows. Like you can try to insert multiple rows on Excel. So I'll just try to undo this one. So let's say I'll just select this particular row separately and then this particular row separately and the next particular row separately. I'll just try to select these things separately. So here you can see some data is there, right? So now when I just try to right click this and then when I say insert, so what would happen is that before each and every row, a new row is getting added. So you can see before this one, above this one row is getting added. So above this one row and above this one row. So like this, each and every row will get added. So when you try to completely select and then when you try to insert, what will happen is that all these together like a 6 rows will get added. But when you try to select separately each and every row and then when you try to insert above each and every row, a new row will get added. So this is how you can actually try to add more rows. Like you can try to insert more rows on your Excel.